Hi, everyone, let's see how to replace an old cabin air filter with a new one in the Honda Civic 2008 model. First, squeeze the ends of the dash cabin door to pull it down. Then again push the sides of the air filter frame to pull it out. Oh my god, it seems it hasn't been changed since it was brought. I brought this car recently, thank god I decided to change it before using it. It is so dirty. Everyone, please check yours now. And then take the filter from the frame and make sure to clean. This is the air filter I got from Canadian Tire. The product code is MCF10134, which is a fit for the 2006 to 2015 Civic models as well as so many other models of Honda. Check before you buy. Oh, it comes with instructions. Cool, actually, the replacement is pretty easy. No need to visit a mechanic for this. We just need to see which side comes up or down. The airflow direction is shown both in the filter as well as the frame. Adjust the filter to make it fit inside the frame. That's it. Gently put it back into the cabin. And slowly close the dash cabin. Have a clean airflow. Thanks for watching.